Greetings, viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of agile project management and exploring one of its most popular methodologies, Scrum. To start today's discussion, let's first open with what Scrum is. A Scrum is an agile framework used for managing complex projects. It emphasizes teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress toward a well-defined goal. So what are the key components of Scrum? They consist of the Scrum team. The Scrum team is comprised of three main roles. They include the product owner, Scrum master, and development team. The product backlog. The product backlog is a prioritized list of features or tasks maintained by the product owner. 3. Sprint planning. As part of sprint planning, the team takes a detailed look at the items from the product backlog and selects specific items for the upcoming sprint. The sprint. The sprint is a time-boxed iteration which typically lasts 2 to 4 weeks. In this time, the team completes the selected work. Daily stand-up meetings. This daily stand-up meeting is the time for the team to synchronize and plan their work. The sprint review. The sprint review is a meeting at the end of each sprint to review and demonstrate the completed work. And lastly, 7, the sprint retrospective. The sprint retrospective is a meeting to reflect on the sprint and identify areas that could be improved. Next, let's look at the benefits of Scrum. Overall increase in transparency. By having regular meetings and reviews, the team can clearly see the overall progress of the project. Adaptability. Scrum allows for changes to be incorporated quickly, based on feedback and evolving requirements. Improved collaboration. Cross-functional teams collaborate closely, fostering innovation and problem-solving. 4. Faster delivery. By breaking the project into smaller, more manageable chunks, Scrum enables faster delivery of value to stakeholders. Now that we know what Scrum is, its components and benefits, we will discuss how you can perform a Scrum. In order to perform a Scrum, you are going to need the following. The team. Bring together the key players of the team consisting of the product owner, Scrum master, and development team in a designated space. Set the time limit. Always make sure the Scrum doesn't exceed 15 minutes. This will keep everyone focused and concise. 3. The Scrum board. Visualize the work items using a Scrum board or an online tool like Jira or Trello. We will cover these tools in a later YouTube video. Next, start the Scrum. This follows the following process. An introduction. The Scrum Master starts the meeting by welcoming everyone and reminding them of the purpose of the Scrum. The update. Each team member provides a brief update on their progress since the last Scrum, focusing on what they've accomplished, what they're currently working on, and any obstacles they're facing. Discuss roadblocks. This is the time for team members to highlight any impediments or blockers that are hindering their progress. Always remember to focus on the sprint goal. To do this, the product owner reminds the team of the sprint goal and ensures that everyone is aligned with it. Team members should relate their updates to the sprint goal and discuss how their work contributes to achieving it. After that is reviewed, let's plan out our next steps. These include discussing the priorities. Based on the updates and identified roadblocks, the team discusses the priorities for the day and upcoming tasks. Adjusting the sprint backlog. If necessary, the product owner and team members may adjust the sprint backlog to accommodate new tasks or reprioritize existing ones. Get a commitment. The team collectively commits to the tasks they will complete by the next Scrum. And finally, let's discuss closing the Scrum. The Scrum Master summarizes the key takeaways from the meeting, including action items and commitments. Encourage team members to collaborate and support each other in overcoming obstacles. End on time. End the Scrum within the designated time limit to respect everyone's schedules and maintain focus. Now that we have covered what Scrum is and how you perform a Scrum, let's quickly discuss why Scrum is such a popular method compared to other traditional project management methods. To start, Scrum offers flexibility and adaptability. Traditional project management methods, like waterfall, follow a linear, sequential approach where each phase must be completed before moving on to the next. Scrum's advantage is that it embraces change and uncertainty by breaking the project into short, iterative cycles known as sprints. This allows for continuous feedback and adaptation, ensuring that the project remains aligned with evolving requirements and priorities. Scrum also fosters an environment of collaboration and communication. Traditional methods often rely on top-down communication, where decisions are made by higher-ups and trickle down to the team. Scrum's advantage is that it promotes collaboration and transparency among team members with regular meetings like daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. This fosters a culture of open communication and shared ownership of the project's success. Scrum focuses on delivering value. Traditional methods prioritize adhering to a predefined plan and schedule, sometimes at the expense of delivering value to the customer. Scrum's advantage is that it focuses on delivering value early and often. By prioritizing work based on customer feedback and business value, Scrum ensures that the most valuable features are delivered first, maximizing return on investment. What about risk management? Traditional methods often have limited opportunities for risk management, with risks being identified and addressed late in the project lifecycle. Scrum's advantage is that it identifies and mitigates risks early through frequent inspection and adaptation. By delivering increments of working software at the end of each sprint, potential risks are identified and addressed sooner, reducing the overall project risk. And finally, Scrum empowers the team and provides clear ownership. Traditional methods can be hierarchical, with decision-making concentrated at the top and limited autonomy for team members. Scrum's advantage is that it empowers teams by giving them the autonomy to self-organize and make decisions collaboratively. This fosters a sense of ownership and accountability, leading to higher morale and productivity. In conclusion, Scrum is a powerful, agile framework that promotes collaboration, adaptability, and iterative progress. By understanding its key principles and implementing best practices, teams can effectively manage complex projects and deliver value to stakeholders. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on agile methodologies and project management. See you soon.